Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. And this week's prompt was something that makes you happy. Well, a lot of things make me happy. So, what I did on this page was, on the background, I did my own mixed media, because it definitely makes me happy doing mixed media. So I didn't include that. So my hubby makes me happy. Our Harley makes me happy. My children. My craft room, crafts, paint, stickers, YouTube, mixed media, my friends, childhood friend, Snoopy, John Wayne, cows. I love cows. Then over here I have family, son-in-law, grandchildren, daughter-in-law, my yard, art doors, being outdoors, I should say. Walks, movies, gnomes, YouTube plans, plants, car rides, yes, cemeteries, in-laws, music, my mom, fish, dogs, and cats. Those are all things that make me happy. And if you're like cemeteries, I am fascinated with cemeteries. I like looking at people's headstones and seeing the art on headstones. And I love just the history of certain cemeteries in our country. So cemeteries make me happy. And I helped in the cemetery in Milwaukee when I was a kid to clean headstones and fix headstones. So, yeah. Cemeteries do not frighten me. But these are all this is just some of the things that make me happy. I could have made lists and kept going and kept going and kept going. So I just kind of did. Overall, everything makes me happy. There ain't too much in my life that doesn't make me happy. I got health and happiness and a great family and great friends and my house. So this is what makes me happy. And I thank you guys for watching. Please go check out the wonderful other ladies that are doing this. It makes you think. This one made me think a little bit. Steampunk. Forgot to mention steampunk. That makes me happy. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be safe. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.